Hello Joey, I'm now going to show you how to mark the JPG file on these rotaries. First of all, you need to make sure these two buttons was pushed before you're engraving JPG or bitmap file on the rotaries. Then I'm going to show you how to mark. First of all, you need to open the software pack. Then we'll find the pack bitmap marking. Please, then we find we open the software. Please understand that there are three kind of software that we included in this pack. There are software for marking 2D flat surface marking, software for rectifier rotary marking, the software for bitmap file marking on these rotaries. Okay, now before you do the bitmap marking on the rotaries, we also need to make sure to make the calibration first. But if you this calibration, the meaning of this calibration is to make sure that the size of the file marking is exactly with the size with your file. So if you don't need the actual marking size is exactly the same with the file size, you don't need to make this. You don't need to do calibration. Okay, now we try to import the calibration file. We find a file, then we can open. Then we in the bitmap marking file will find a calibration file. Open. Then you will see this rectangle. You see here, and we will use this rotary to mark this rectangle. Then we'll measure the size of y-axis to make sure it's the actual marking size exactly with the size of y-axis we set as 40 millimeters. You see here? Okay, now I'll show you. We use a soft ruler to measure the actual size we marked for y-axis. So after we measure the actual marking size, then we go to the software for do some calibration. Then we go to the parameters. We go to the negate. Cancel. We go to the negate. Here. We go to here negate and then push these two buttons for calibration. Then we put the goal size is 40 millimeters, and then we input actual marking size. Let's say it's we just measured is 42. Then after we input it, then we click OK. Then OK. Then the calibration process then is finished. Then we mark this JPG file, and we make it in the central. And then here also is because all the parameter settings for marking this JPG file you see here, and this is the power another marking parameters we set. Then we will start marking. And we will send you detailed menus as well as the operation videos for how to use these rotaries. And after you receive it, if you have any questions, you can let me know.